Hello everyone, welcome back to Naturally Hema. Today I am making the tender mango pickle, also known as Kanni manga or Kadugu manga. These tender mangoes are available only for a very short period every year between end of March and first few weeks of April. So grab your supplies as it lasts. Now, when we speak of the pickle, the most important ingredient other than the vegetable or the fruit is the spices and the salt which not only adds flavor to the pickle but also saves the pickle from getting spoiled. Salt is nothing but sodium chloride, so we could use any salt for pickling, right? Well, I guess not, because if you pick up any salt packet in your house and read its ingredients, you would see that it has other things other than salt in it. It has anti-caking agents, it has iodine, so all these things make a difference to the pickle. So if you use a salt which has iodine or anti-caking agents, it actually turns the pickle a little darker, and it also makes the brine quite cloudy. But this may appear as a very small difference to you, but after testing and trying several pickles using the iodized salt and the non-iodized salt, I very strongly recommend a salt which is non-iodized and it doesn't have any anti-caking agents. So what we're looking for is a salt which is not free-flowing and which is non-iodized. If you look for a rock sea salt which is non-iodized, that fits our criteria. So the salt I've used today is a non-iodized sea salt. You will see in the recipe ahead. I have made two versions of the same pickle, one using the sea salt and one using the iodized table salt which we use at home. And the difference is very clear. Hope you all enjoyed watching the Vadu manga pickle or the tender mango pickle today. Do subscribe to my channel, and for detailed recipe, please check out my blog naturallyhema.com. Thank you so much for watching.